just wonderful. Need for Speed Hot Pursuit. It's a remaster of a 2010 game. I wanted to make a review, but it's kinda hard for two reasons. One, there's so many small things that are neat and are definitely beneficial to learn how to play. But they're too small to say that they are worth dedicating a video to, even altogether. So maybe it'd be better if you got your hands on the game yourself and discover the nuances. Yeah. 2. I was having so much fun recording this game that it just felt like montaging my best moments. So fun, 10 out of 10 when everything's in the right place. The game is simple. Learn how to play as a racer and a cop in single player. Unlock and master everything in single player, then take it to the humans online, because this is where the fun begins. Hit quick match, read the lobby, then pick your car. Then have a go at it.
Monitoring spike strip release.
1, 2, 3, 4.
He'll be right over top of you at any minute.
No, no, no!
No one told you life was gonna be this way.
Suspect is using a jammer.
Okay, Fast and Furious moment right here. Let's go. Let's go. Go, go, go. on. No, no, no. Come on. Clutch it! Clutch! Yes! Oh, wonderful. Wonderful.
Monitoring a system overload. Are you okay?
Heavily damaged. I'm moving in to finish him off.
You got it. Roadblock in position ahead.
It's free real estate.
All units, local EMPs are authorized for use. You're detecting a power surge from the center.